Hey, good morning to one and all. Welcome back to the channel. It's been like 2 weeks since I last posted. Just because the markets weren't, as expected. I didn't get any opportunity to trade in like the past 2 weeks. The market was just moving sideways, up and down. I couldn't predict much, but trade update, I've actually taken a trade yesterday and it hit take profit today. So I'm pretty happy on that. I'll just show you guys that trade. I took it yesterday night and today morning at around 8 ish or something, I just got it. So basically, it's GBP USD, which I took the trade on. The weekly, uh, it's bullish, but then it's having the retracement. So I wanted to capture or like take profits on the retracement. I think it should stop here for this way and it should just push up. But we'll see on that. On the daily, if you can see, I waited for so basically I waited 1, 2, 3. I waited 3 days to ensure that my daily shifts bearish. So you can see it's bullish from here, and then it shifts bearish here, and then it tries to retest, and then it pushes down. Basically, that's what I've been waiting for. And see on the 4 hours. So basically, on the 4 hours, this is already bearish from here. So once it shifted bearish, gave a retracement, gave me a push, uh, but I didn't take a trade over here in this area. Just because this is before Wednesday, that means like Tuesday is still in here, and if you look at the daily time frame, Tuesday is still not bearish. I waited for the daily confirmation to shift bearish. Once that was done, what I basically did is I waited on 30 minutes for to see I've gotten my first shift of structure over here. So it had the retracement, but it was moving bullish, and then it shifted bearish, retracement, and then I got an engulfing. So I just took the trade over here. I did have some like drawdown and bit of a loss, but nevertheless, so the entire night. I mean, not in the entire night. It was just like 2 hours. I took the trade at like 10:30 or something. Yeah, and it was just like 2 hours of bullshit, and then it just went down. Uh, that's pretty much it. I didn't expect it to move this fast, but I'm happy I took it. And yeah, I'll just show you guys. I'll also show you guys the previous stuff. Like, if you look at my previous video, I've taken NZD cat, but I've got wicked out or like I don't know. Like, I have no idea what's wrong with this trade because I'm not even wicked out in this trade. But I think due to the spread and everything, it just pushed me out of the trade. So I did not make whatever this trade is. I actually got a loss on this. So I'll show you guys both the trades right now. Uh, let's see. So first is GBP USD. Um, so okay, here you go. So uh, so GBP USD 0.02 lots. That's the latest. Uh, that $8 profit on that. That's like I put like a 5% risk on this, but that's my strategy now. I'm using like 5% risk to reward. Like 5% risking on each trade to make like 10% profit. So when I entered this trade, I was uh, at $92 or something because of the previous loss. That's NCD CAD. You can see, say, $4 loss. So I was at around 96, 97 ish or something, and then I dropped down to 92. And because of GBP USD, I'm back at 100. So yeah, so if you see my balance, I'm at 100. So if you look at the date today, it's 14th May. So I started with $100 6 months ago almost, and or I could say like 5 months ago, and it took me 5 months to come back to break even. And I think uh, I've learned the strategy to a good point now to make good enough profits. So uh, I have two prop firm challenges right now. One is an instant one-step funding account, which is a 25K account, and another is a two-step verification, 100K account. I just took that 100K account of two steps because I just wanted to be sure that I am as good as I think and I know what I'm doing. So I took like a two steps so that I can see my progress as to what's happening. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Um, you might ask like why didn't I record in the past 2 weeks? Because my last video was like on May 21st, and now it's saying May 14th. So basically, the whole 2 weeks, I just didn't find a trade at all. The market was like, I don't know, making bullshit moves which you couldn't predict at all. And I didn't see much of a market opportunities for 2 weeks. And I didn't want to get involved just for the sake of getting involved. So I didn't take a trade. And this week I just took a trade like at 10:30 in the night. And like by morning, like 7:30, I'm like, I just have my one to do. Uh, let's say almost like how much is that? It's like 9 hours or like something around that. Yeah, something around 9 hours you get a one to two. That's amazing. What else would you expect? I mean, in the future, if I had like to risk $1,000, and if I'm getting like $2,000 in 9 hours, then I could just pay off my rent just with one trade in the whole month. That's amazing. Uh, that's pretty much it for the video. We'll catch you guys in the next one.